Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to sign up and Shopify store. Okay, so let me just show you guys. First of all, what you have to do if you're using Android device, simply just uh, search for Shopify on the Play Store. Now you can see I've already downloaded this software, so I don't need to download this. Okay, so simply just open up whenever you have completed your download. Now you can see sign up option. Just tap on that, and here you can see it's telling you to give your email, so I'm just giving my email. Okay, and you have to put your first name and the last name, and you have to give your password, right? And simply just put your password, and after that simply click on create account, and here you can see it's being loaded. So you have successfully created your account. Now you can simply just create your online store, Shopify store. Okay, so that's how you have to do it, like sign up, download and signing up Shopify in your device. So there will be particular video on how you can like create your first online store. So I'll see you around in the next video or another video. So that was all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.